Hey everybody, Spoonfed here, and we're gonna set up Windows 7 to use our new DNS server that we just made. So we're gonna do Open Network and Sharing Center. Let's see, change data settings for local area network, and we'll say properties. There we go. We need to wait a while, no problem. First let me show you CMD. That's I showed you the trick with the shortcuts. So CMD, if we do ping first, I don't think anything will happen. It'll probably say it cannot find. No, that's what I thought. Also, you can do IP config. You get a bunch of config. I got a lot, but the only thing that really matters is that one. So you can see default gateway, subnet, whatever. What I can also do is IP config/all. Show you the entire connection. Sorry, here. So host name, primary DNS suffix, nothing. Node type hybrid, IP routing no, Windows no. PHP yes, which will be turned off soon. Right now I have 10, so I'll give this machine keep it on 10. But you see that the DHCP server and DNS server are the same, and the default gateway is that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually make it a little bit different. You're gonna select protocol 4, IPv4 properties. Say use the following IP address, and I have to make sure Mephisto doesn't kill me. Alright, so IP address 161.8.001.010. That was the one that it wanted. It will convert this automatically to 1. That one you don't have to change. Default gateway is still the same, 001.001. But the preferred DNS server will be 1.168.0.0. No, yes, I know that's not a valid entry. No, I know. 0.0.1.0.1. And now we'll do advanced, and we'll go to DNS, and we'll add a suffix for this connection, which will be spoonfed.local. And yes, we'll do like that. We'll do OK. We'll do close. Now we need to wait a while because now it's like restarting everything. See, as you can see here, it's restarting, booting up. Alright, there we go. So now we can check again if everything is set up correctly. So DNS server is now 111, the gateway is same, we got 10, no DSP. Alright, and DNS suffix, as you can see here, is now spoonfed.local. So hopefully what we can do is we can say ping first, and there we go. But we can also do google.com, and we will be getting there as well, because our DNS server, the ones that we set up, which is now freaking awesome, what it can do is set everything that's not authoritative for through. So we can also do spoonfed.local, and we'll do that. Now we have a browser here that it will not show us anything right now, obviously, but what we can do is we can go media.spoonfed.local, and it cannot find it. It says it cannot find it. Are you sure you've... The only problem is media.spoonfed.local doesn't have a port open that can handle this request as same as www. No, www. See, it doesn't do anything, but it sure as hell exists. CMD ping www, you'll see it does exist. So ping www.spoonfed.local. There we go. So no, sorry, that's clear screen. Exit. That's something that's pretty cool that we did. So next step, what we need to do is set up services on our server, so people can actually go to spoonfed.local and can go to your site. These DNS servers now are I'm making them for a local area network. so I'm not making them for the internet. But if you have an internet, you register your domain name with, for example, GoDaddy or something. I don't know. I don't care. And you set up your DNS service there to be your DNS server. So your server, which cannot be 192.168.1.1. You have to have your outgoing IP and have to forward stuff on port 53 or another port actually on your external IP address, and forward that to your internal IP address. So you can run a server that's hooked up to the internet with your own domain name on your own server. You can do that. Is it smart? No, it's not smart, but you could do that. But basically this is for internal, and I'm making it spoonfed.local because that's what I wanted to do. But you could name it anything, like seriously anything. You don't need to register a name for this one. You could have your own version of google.com if you want, but it doesn't work for other people. Which, as I'm saying this now, of course, is a great way to fake stuff, as it were. You can create your own page on like a news page, and you also have another add-on for that, which makes it a lot easier, of course. But you can actually show people that you're going to the page here, and you type in, I don't know, www.cnn.com, and you see, look, I made the front lines, or I made the headlines, and I'm on the first page on CNN.com, or yeah, look at my site being mentioned on whatever. Or play a prank on somebody, or another great way is maybe something like, say you are living with your girlfriend for a long time and you wanna ask her to marry you, and you're a geek, you're a tech nut. So what you do is you make your own DNS server, and you say that requests from google.com go, or whatever search, go to your page. So whatever she types in, she's at your page. So you make a front end for Google, and whatever she submits, you make it so she ends up with the page like saying stuff like, will you marry me, wedding rings and stuff like that, which is a very cool geeky way to ask somebody to marry you. That's it for our DNS stuff on the server. Next week we'll be looking at I think what we'll do is we'll set up our mail server first, or should we, yeah, let's set up a mail server first, and then the week after that we'll send up an FTP server, and the week after that we'll set up a web server. And then after that, I think might have some ideas more of what we need to do. So yeah, that's it for our DNS.